Hello Key Stage 3, welcome to this week's assembly. Year 7, those two classes who we've just had in, you did brilliantly, especially in the lab, and we're so proud of you. We look forward to seeing Year 7 J, I, F, G on Monday. So, Year 8, hopefully we may see you after the spring break. And Year 9, I hope you're busy and deciding and choosing the right options for your IGCSE courses. We do apologise for the delay in that, but we really wanted to meet your choices, which meant opening up a few more classes, and that involves altering staffing and things like that. So thank you so much for your patience. Positive Learner Awards. I'm not going to ramble on, as I've been told by Student Voice. Thank you for that. What's going to happen is we're just going to display those students who have gained those positive learner certificates, and then your form tutors are going to tell you each time you're awarded a recognition from any of your teachers. So that means you need to make a record, and every time you get 3, then you get the certificate and you get awarded in the assembly, and Miss Novi sends the certificates to you and to your parents. So form tutors may do this slightly differently. Some may choose to do it every Sunday after the Thursday when the certificates have been announced. They may choose to do a breakout room and tell those students what they've been specifically recognised for. Or some may choose to just tell you each morning whenever you've been awarded, and that means that you need to take responsibility and just note down each time you've been awarded. And every time you get 3, then you get a certificate. And you're getting so many, it's fantastic. So keep up the good work, keep going. You're doing a brilliant job. March for March, please hand in your entries. I've done 15 kilometres so far, 5 kilometres each day. Please join me.
They can come closer than close, yeah. Original they never will be.
The defending champions, there is Grundy Sydney Coolers opposing big man Harry McNulty, who has been a weapon, particularly at the restarts and at kick-off time as well.
Here's Harry McNulty, born in Bahrain, big ice hockey fan. Here's Harry McNulty. Nice cut back to McNulty. Chance here for Ireland. McNulty runs at the England line. Harry McNulty to Carpentier.
McNulty, he's been huge this first half for Ireland. He is in the air now along the turf. He goes. McNulty opens up.
Hello Dahran British Grammar School, my name is Harry McNulty and I am a professional rugby player. I used to play for the Irish Sevens team and now I'm heading over to LA to play there professionally, and I want to wish you all the best for March for March. Now I love to stay fit, one because it keeps me in a job and if I'm not fit I'm not allowed to play, but 2, it makes me feel brilliant. I love to go to the gym, I love to go for a run, it clears my mind. I feel fresh afterwards, I feel relaxed, and it keeps my body feeling great. So I want to wish you all the best again. Have fun, enjoy it, and do your best. Good luck.
You just try to make you see. Nobody does it better. Closer than close, yeah. Original they never will be. We want it from close to close, yeah, yeah. You just try to make you see. Nobody does it better. Nobody does it better.
Good news, next Thursday Student Voice are organising an off-curriculum day. So more details will follow later, but it should include some nice competitions to get involved with and maybe some things to be active with from the PE department and also Student Voice and some of your subject teachers. So there'll be a non-curriculum day next Thursday. And now we have the fabulous Indy.
Welcome everyone to News Round. I'm your host Indy French with the news for this week. Let's get started with this week's news right away. Number 1. Cloning. Scientists have figured out how to clone a ferret. This endangered species of ferret in the US got cloned in order to protect its species from extinction. They cloned it using DNA of a ferret that died 30 years ago. The ferret's name is called Elizabeth Ann. Number 2. Sports news. Did you know that a 21-year-old Jasmine Harrison became the youngest woman to row across the Atlantic Ocean, setting a new record that seems super hard to beat? It took her only 70 days to do it solo. Wow! Number 3. Photo of the week. Here is an interesting photo I found for this week. It is so cool. I hope you like it too. Well, that's all for the news for this week. See you next time on News Round.